Yeah, come on, Kyle.
So you have so much.
Can you show them the floor somehow?
Yeah, come on, man. You gotta get that. You got my sneakers down here. I mean, how you go from one nasty environment to another? You gonna get ants.
I'm still on how you got
Bottle girls.
It was outside. I said,
There was
said,
no
Well, they outside
fucking
you
bottle.
over there.
When I walked in, there was not a bottle girl out there.
No,
Man.
not outside the house. They was on the street.
Oh.
Yeah, those are streetwalkers.
No, but
No.
they came in.
No, that's not a bottle girl.
I asked them.
That's
I
a
said,
prostitute.
Yo, well, listen, I don't know. I don't
You
answer
on Figueroa?
details. No, on Hollywood Boulevard. And I saw him.
You were on Hollywood.
I saw him. But listen,
Then
when I said, hey,
ain't no bottle. And you said, who do bottle work?
no. I said, hey, look, man, I'm about to do this live stream. I would love it.